out for the babies.
We need change, man.
Solve the problem.
TrumpetMan, what's going on? Peace and black power, my brother. How you doing?
Another kind?
Huh?
Black power's all day.
Yeah, it's all day long, all day long, all day.
If you don't know, we better get a memo. This is about the ancestors. They already paid the price, and they can't take it back.
Facts.
I just don't understand how ungrateful ass niggas won't even say thank you to the ones who already paid it all.
Wow, Ashe.
That's some wicked ass shit, ain't it?
It is.
So you need to know that once you're gone, unless you teach these young motherfuckers you're giving birth to, what the truth is, they won't honor or respect your ass when you gone either.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Because see, I saw what these motherfuckers did. You claim they conscious. We ain't talking about the average low-life, nothing-ass, church-going nigga. I'm talking about the conscious community. That Chancellor Williams go into a homeless shelter, a nursing home, see what I'm saying? We wouldn't take care of them. These men put their whole lives on the line for us.
They did.
30, 40, 50, 60 years, man. You know what it's like being a frontline soldier? You gotta live without a woman because most of these females ain't about shit. I call them GMIs. Grimy, materialistic, and ignorant as hell.
GMI.
That woman is not our woman. She's that white man's woman. Met one the other day, she had $500 or $600 worth of phony motherfucking hair. And I lowered my head, she said, you look like you're about to cry. I said, I am. She said, why? I said, go to one of my folk brothers and trying to love your stupid ass. This bitch, you sucking your ass off, hustling on the grind,
Right.
bringing the money home. This bitch going to a phony ass hair store and getting phony. Sis, just in case you don't know it, you are the standard of beauty in the universe.
Facts.
All you have to do is wake up. And I thank God for y'all's presence every day.
Yeah, I
Hope you can stay in your right mind. 'Cause like I said, most of our sisters are just way too fucked up to be for real. It's shameful. See what I'm saying? And then these are supposed to be the first mothers of our children, or the first teachers of our children. That's who you are.
Right.
But if you crazy, ain't that the end of the story?
Right.
That's all I'm saying.
Facts.
I mean, see, I'm bothered by a whole lot of real things because I'm a real person. Now, I ain't saying nobody else is any less real than I am, but I know for a fact we need to start coming together dealing with our issues. Like you heard me talk about when I said I play this national anthem every day, because I'm in hopes that once I can get all of Harlem to sing together, we have that new day. Okay, and connect the youth with the African-centered elders because they can guide them back on the right track.
Facts.
Righteously, not just on any old shit. And you can't, just in case y'all don't know this, it's impossible, and I teach this to kids, but kids run all ages. Okay, from 3 to 300. You cannot mix sugar with shit and get Kool-Aid. Children will tell you. You have to start with Kool-Aid and stay with Kool-Id. Otherwise, the kid will tell you, yeah, it ain't Kool-Aid.
Facts.
Now, how the fuck is it the kid can understand it? Grown-ass people can't. Don't mix sugar with shit in an attempt to get Kool-Aid. Let me clarify for y'all who ain't that bright. Stop trying to use European methodology to solve black problems. They created your problem. They benefit from it. Now, would you stop your money to save somebody else's life? You may lie to me, but we know the truth, don't we?
Right.
That's all I'm saying. See what I'm saying? If you're going to seriously solve African problems, you got to use an African methodology, African mentality, starting from an African-centered process. Okay. And if you don't know that's your African, you got to go even farther back than that to find out where you came from. I think I shared the piece with you all, right, about the piece called UB. It's
yes.
UB, branches of knowledge, branches of truth, branches that bind us from the ancients to our youth. You see, we are the future, and we are the past. We are the only way. Please hear me, y'all. We are the only way God's truth will ever come to pass. But you must know thyself.
Facts.
And be thyself. Your spirit must unfold. Because without proper knowledge of self, you put your very soul on hold. Why? Because a tree, an inanimate object, doesn't have a brain, never read a book, never been to school, never met a white person. A tree cannot tell you why it blooms or bears its fruit unless one is wise enough to trace through its trunk. You see, the truth is in its roots.
Facts.
And so is yours.
Facts. That whole tap, Lord, whole tap.
Who taught you, who taught you to hate the texture of your hair? Who taught you to hate the color of your skin to such extent that you bleach to get like the white man? Who taught you to hate the shape of your nose and the shape of your lips? Who taught you to hate yourself